this video, I want to show you how to find the dot product. The dot product is if you are given any vectors, so let's say for example u is equal to a comma b and v is equal to c comma d, then the dot product, this right here is read as u dot v, is equal to a times c plus b times d. All right, so let's do a couple of examples. In the first example, I just give you the vectors u and v. So u is 4 comma negative 3 and v is 3 comma negative 7. So we want to start by finding the dot product of this one. So I would do u times v is equal to 4 comma negative 3 dot 3 comma negative 7. Okay, and so then when I find the dot product, I am just going to take 4 times 3 plus negative 3 times negative 7. So if I simplify this, I end up with 12 plus 21, which gives me 32. Okay, so the dot product of those two vectors is 32. For the second one, it is written in a different form where this is the unit vector I, and I want to write it as an imaginary, just let me draw an I this way. Okay, where I is equal to 1 comma 0, and over here we have j. J is the unit vector 0 comma 1. So if you happen to see something written like this, they're just referencing the unit vectors. So really we could rewrite u as 5 comma 0, and we could rewrite v as negative 4 comma 5. So this is just an alternative form of writing a vector. You could also leave it in this form to go ahead and do the dot product, but I'm going to go ahead and do it this way just to make it a little bit easier to see. All right, so now if we find u dot v, we would just take our two values, okay, and we would multiply them together. So I would have 5 times negative 4, and I didn't mean to write that. Hold on. Okay, so we would just have 5 times negative 4 plus 0 times 5, which ends up giving us negative 20 plus 0, which is just negative 20. So the dot product of these two vectors is negative 20. As always, thanks for watching. If you have any questions, please let me know. If there are additional topics you need me to cover, please let me know that as well.